Good morning, guys. A new morning, new Monday, new week, new week of possibilities, new week of new challenges, and new week of achievements. Let's seize the day and join me every morning on such a walk. We are discovering what does discipline bring in the long term, how the discipline allows us to achieve goals, and what actually happens after we follow discipline for a certain amount of time. We've been doing this now for almost 3 months, and some results have already been shown. So check out the videos and join our efforts.